can't be the only one who hears you.
I have a pie pumpkin. We're gonna make pumpkin puree from scratch. I'm gonna cut this in half. I got all of my fresh seasonal ingredients from Kroger. Just squirt it and then you can just split it in half. I scoop out the seeds. Save the seeds to roast later. I bake this for 400 for about 30 to 40 minutes. I just got the pumpkin out of the oven. It should be soft. Peel the skin off. It should come right off. Just wait till your pumpkin is cool. Now we're going to add the pumpkin into our food processor. You can use a blender. We have our yummy pumpkin puree here. You can season it with pumpkin spice. I'm just gonna add a little bit of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves, and a little bit of salt. We have our delicious pumpkin pie puree here. We're gonna be using this to make our pumpkin cream cheese rangoons. Package of cream cheese, 8 ounces. And we're going to blend. We have our pumpkin cream cheese filling. I'm taking a wonton wrapper, using some water around the edges, and we're gonna fold all the corners into the middle, and then we're gonna press it down onto the plate so they're flat. Air fry at 390 for 9 minutes. Lastly, I'm sprinkling it with sugar and cinnamon. Ta-da! So easy and so yummy.